In this class, we are going to learn the basis for departmentation. Basis for departmentation. In the last class, we have seen that what is departmentation and different departments in a modern office. Okay. So, what is departmentation? What is the meaning of departmentation? Departmentation is the process of dividing the entire office into different departments according to their activities. What is the need for departmentation? A large organization have a large activities. A large organization have large number of activities. One single office manager cannot maintain the uh, activities of the organization. Okay, cannot maintain the activities of the organization. So that there is a need for departmentation to divide the office activities into departments, and each and every department will have a office manager. So office manager will maintain the department activities very effectively. Okay, what is the basis for departmentation? The departmentation can be done on the basis of the following factors. The departmentation can be done on the basis of the following factor. Number one, geographical basis. Number two, product line basis. Number three, functional basis. Enterprise function basis or functional basis. So number one, geographical basis. So what is geographical basis? If the operations or activities of the company are spread over a vast geographical area, it is called geographical departmentation. If the operation or the activities of the company so scattered into different geographical areas, then that situation the departmentation can be done on the basis of geographical area. This is called as geographical departmentation. For example, a large chemical manufacturing company doing business in all the states of India may have separate department for each state. Okay, if a company doing business all over India, each and every state will have its own department to maintain the activities of that company. So this is called as a geographical basis. Of departmentation. Next, product line basis. Where the enterprise is producing a number of goods, it may go for departmentation on the products. Okay, for example, if a company is producing number of different kinds of products, many number of products, a manufacturing company is producing many number of products, many number of products, then the departmentation is done on the basis of the goods which they are producing, and the goods the company is producing. Okay, so all the products the company producing cannot maintain a single department, cannot maintain a single office manager or a single department. So in that situation the departmentation is needed, and the departmentation will be done on the basis of the products of the company producing. Okay, a company producing different products, chemicals, so pharmaceuticals, so plastics and fertilizers, may have four different departments, each separately dealing with one product. A company producing different departments, different products, chemicals, so pharmaceuticals, so plastics and fertilizer, may have four different departments, each separately dealing with one product. Okay, so staff working in each department will gain specialized knowledge of the product. So in this kind of departmentation, okay, so the staff who are working in the separate departments, specialized departments or products based departmentation, will gain a more knowledge in the products they are dealing. Easy to get data on sales, costs, profits and other statistical data separately for each department, each product. Okay, so here departments, functional basis departmentation. Here departmentation takes place based on the functions of enterprise. Here departmentation takes place based on functions of enterprise: production, purchases, sales, accounts, personnel, etc. So the functional based departmentation is done based on their functions of the activities or the functions of the organization. Production departmentation, okay, production activities are dealt with the production department. Purchase activities are dealt with the purchase department. Like that, production, purchases, sales, accounts, personal department. So most business houses, most companies prefer this kind of method, prefer this type of method. Each function is handled by a separate department exclusively. Each function is handled by a separate department exclusively. Okay, so the functional basis departmentation is done according to their functions. Each and every organization will have production, purchase, sales, accounts. So based on this functional or activities, the departmentation can be done. Okay, so thank you.